Hi, I'm HEALYMEANS. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a vlog in the car video. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am just leaving my favorite place in the world, the USPS, and I didn't have anything in my box today, but I've been going out of town for a while and I'm back, so I just wanted to make sure, because y'all know I do not trust these people, and as soon as I even think I got something in my mailbox, I come get it. But I try to make a habit to come check twice a week. I recorded 2 videos yesterday. One of them went up this morning. That was the TEMU unboxing. Tomorrow you will see the backyard shenanigans video, and then the next day after that you'll probably see this video. Y'all, I was looking at some of my old videos. I do that from time to time, y'all, because I remember like way from back in the day. So I started my channel the end of December 2018, and I didn't show my face on the video for the first time until I believe it was January 2020. So like I was watching all of my old videos before I was showing my face. Yo, that blur circle was getting worked out. And it was a little rough sometimes, but I mean, you know, I watch almost all videos on 1.5 because I'm constantly doing stuff. My brain move a little bit fast, so you know I got to keep up, because if it's too slow, y'all, I just can't do it. So I watch the videos at 1.5, but that will make a funny video hilarious. It'll make it adds something. It adds some entertainment to the videos. But I went back and I watched video number 66, so 066, and in that video I was doing one of those, you know, do I still like it after all of this time kind of videos, and it was for the Diva Curl Heaven in Hair, Hair in Heaven, Heaven Hair, so I forgot, y'all, but I want y'all to check out the video, and I put that on my community post earlier this morning. Y'all check out that video, because as I was applying the deep conditioner, I was talking about the deep conditioner. Do I still like it or what? You know, y'all check out the video to find out what I thought at that time. As I progressed through the video, I started talking about other stuff. And this is why I record all the way through when I'm doing videos, instead of, you know, stopping and pausing and readjusting myself. And then I record the whole thing and then I edit out. Sometimes I can record, you know, up to 2 hours worth of material, and the final video might be 20 something minutes, 15 minutes, a half hour, over like 30 minutes. I mean, over like 2 hours. What I had been doing for a while was going back to that original footage, and then I was doing deleted footage videos, and I kind of like that, especially if I felt like the topics that I kind of wandered off into was something important, or something important enough to say, but not directly related to the video that I was recording. But I kind of fell off from that. I think I might go back to that. But I think over these years, I've gotten a little bit better with sticking on topic and kind of sticking to the point of the video. But sometimes I do wander, do a little meandering, you know, always get back to the point. And that's the same thing I did in this video. So y'all check out video number 66, because I was talking about these Black Friday sales. Y'all, and this was back in 2020 that I was talking about it. But when I listened to what I said, you know, it applied even today. And I think it applied, you know, every time. But I was talking about the Black Friday sales, and then I was talking about natural hair YouTubers. Y'all go ahead and check out that video, video number 66, and you know, just take a listen to what I had to say about the deep conditioner, and then also about the 2 other topics. I'm probably gonna do stuff like that, put that up on community post, just some of my old videos, and I'll always include the link so you don't have to go find it or anything like that. But I was just going back and, you know, checking out some of my old stuff, and some stuff was funny, you know, some stuff is serious, but you know, it was interesting. It was interesting. I have been running errands today. Like I said, I just left the post office. I didn't have anything, y'all. The reason why I have my little thing on top of my head, I still have the Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder in my hair. Obviously it's not wet. My hair is not, well, it is a little damp, but if you know Diva Curl products, you have to use them on soaking wet hair, and my hair obviously has like dried out a little bit. Now I did sleep last night with a shower cap on and another cap, and then this over it. Y'all know I woke up this morning and the back of my neck was still damp, so I know I have Diva Curl Wash Day Wonder on my pillow. And that was not the intention. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't feel like doing no wash day today either, because I kind of had decided to finally do my Alpha-G protein treatment. I went on my shelf, I got everything lined up, at least the shampoo and the protein treatment part. I don't even know what I'm gonna use for a deep conditioner. I'm trying to see what do I still have open. I got some silicone mix left, and I was thinking about using that. I have enough in that brown jar to where I could finish the silicone mix, and then that'll be that. I have another 60-ounce tub, but I'm not gonna open that yet. I'll break out a new product, a new branding line, and I think I also mentioned that in the community post. Y'all let me know what you think I should open up next. I think I did see a comment recommending some products, and that's another thing, y'all. I'm gonna do when I get home today. I'm gonna spend at least about 30 minutes going through my comments and answering the comments. I know I'm like way behind. I'm probably like 2 or 3 months behind on comments. Maybe not that far, maybe so, but I'm gonna work on responding to some of the comments. I'm not gonna get to all of them, y'all. I'm not gonna get to all of them. I'm not even gonna try, but I am going to reply to some of the comments. What I intend on doing is at least putting the thumbs up and the heart, or the thumbs up, the heart, and a response to the comment. So I want to work on that. I really need to get outside, y'all, and finish sifting the soil in those 5-gallon buckets. I need to water my garden. Y'all, can y'all believe? Well, you're gonna see it tomorrow when you see the Backyard Shenanigans video. Well, it'll be yesterday. It'll be the day before, because tomorrow you will see the Backyard Shenanigans video, and then the day after that you'll see this video. So if you watch the Backyard Shenanigans video already, by the time you've seen this, you will see that in my old cantaloupe vine mini raised bed, they got the nerve to have another little cantaloupe, y'all. It's about the size of a little lemon. But they got a nerve to have it growing. I gotta tear all of that stuff down, y'all. And then speaking of lemons, you'll see that like all of the lemons on the tree, they either 100% yellow or they like 95% yellow. But y'all, I'm not used to the lemons. Now we going into the 3rd week of November, and I'm not used to having to wait this late in the year for my lemons to turn yellow. Usually by this time it's the 2nd set of lemons that's turning yellow. But this year, y'all, those lemons, they were on that tree for months and months and months, since like April, May time frame. And from April, May time frame all the way until I say what, like the middle to the end of October, before they started turning yellow, y'all. So yeah, but I'm at my next stop. I'm going to visit somebody right quick. Gotta, you know, just keep in touch with people, you know, like here and there and every little where. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Make sure it's set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed. And y'all like my little TEMU? Y'all, I really like this. I really like this. I shouldn't be out here with this on, but I am. Because if y'all look underneath, Lord.